Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all 5G problems. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, go to general management, tap here, tap on reset, go down, tap on reset mobile network settings, tap here, tap on reset settings, enter relock password, then tap on this reset button. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete your photos, videos, contacts, anything. It just reset only the mobile network settings, that's all. Tap on this reset button. See the message network settings reset. After that we can close this. Then go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go to connections, tap here. Then tap on mobile networks. Tap on network mode. So here we have to select this first option, 5G preferred. Select it. Then tap on network operators. Enable this option. Select automatically. Enable it. Go back. If you are outside home network, enable data roaming. Tap here and enable data roaming. If you want to use voice over 5G or VoNR, enable this option. If you want to use 2G networks in areas where other networks are not available, enable this option and use allow 2G service. Go back. Tap on data usage. And here we need to enable this option, mobile data. Enable it. Done. This way we can fix all 5G network problems. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.